print, you need to clean your powder. This is our ultrasonic sieving system, 2Sieve. Step 1. Connect the power cord to the sieving system. Now we connect the gas hose to the gas inlet, but only use between 1 and 6 bars. Connect it, then open up the valve. Then turn this dial until you have 3.5 liters per minute. After this, wait 5 minutes for the machine to fill up. At the bottom of the sieving system, we have 2 bottles. The first one is collecting the already filtered powder, and the second one is for the remaining particles which are too big. Each bottle has 2 ball pen valves, one at the bottom and one at the flange. During the filter operations, both must be open. When you remove the bottles, both need to be closed. When you want to remove one of the bottles, close both valves and unlock it, and you can remove it. The bottle is closed, you can use it, bring it back and put in a new one, close up and open both valves. Before I connect the bottle, I make sure that the valve is closed and the rubber seal is intact. Then put on and close it. Then I open up the valve and the powder can go inside the sieving station. To better sieve the powder, we have an inclination which makes it easier for the powder to run all over the micrometer sieve. At last, activate our sieving generator, and you can hear that the sieving already started. Let the process run until your bottle is empty. Some remarks. After the whole sieving operation, remove this bottle and the bottle with the powder you want to use to refill the machine. It's important to mark your bottle so you know which powder is in the bottle. Usually, after the process, clean up the area around the inlet. But if you change the powder and you want to sieve a different powder, you have to clean the entire sieving system. And again, it's very important when you're working directly with the powder, at least wear rubber gloves, the breathing apparatus, and of course, when you clean the machine, use an ESD-proof vacuum cleaner. Now we come to the cleaning part of the system. First, close the bottle and remove it. Then open these 4 locks. Remove the lid. Now you can clean the interior of the lid and you can put out the sieve, careful with the sieve, and clean the interior. When you're done, put it back together accordingly.